right, guys, we got that famous McLaren 720S right here. This car was red and it was green. So this was that custom gloss khaki green color. Somebody else had done this before, so we weren't the first, but it was very rare to have this color because you had to make it. And then once we started doing it on this, an Aventador, a Range Rover, a Raptor, we see a lot of this color out there. We also did an M4. A lot of guys are using this color. Another wrap company just created this color too. So we like to think that it was kind of a trend maker, but now we're gonna change it. We're gonna change it to something really crazy, funky, bright. Also, we're making it custom a little bit, so it's also gonna be a custom color. We're not gonna show you guys yet. Right now, we still have to take this whole car apart. Gotta take the wrap off and prep it, and then we gotta start that other wrap. So stay tuned to see the progress and the color.
Who wants a free table? Table. Yeah! I put coolant all over my shoes. So we have this Lexus here. This car came in with a few different coolant leaks. Radiator, as you guys can see, how old this thing is, all over the place, leaking everywhere. It was about time to replace this. 116,000 miles on this car. So Santos just put in a brand new one. We also replaced the upper and lower hoses. He's testing out the car now so we can give it back right before we close today.
Welcome to another Lamborghini Urus build. I think we have 4 of them at the shop currently, 3 of them white. This one, really awesome spec, white with white and black interior. It's getting a full 1016 Industries forged carbon body styling kit. It is not getting the wide body like my car, but it is getting most of the other parts. Also no hood. He wanted to do like a OEM plus look, so it's gonna be almost kind of the same design as OEM, but forged carbon fiber. As you can see, we have the rocker on there right now. He wanted to do exactly the same color scheme as my car. So all this white you see on there is actually painted. We masked it off, did the design like my car. Very tough to do on these rockers, but we did it. These are the factory moldings that have been cleaned up. So now the flare is about to get glued onto this guy. Rear bumpers on with all that carbon forged on there. It's got the stock 23-inch wheels. We did spacers and lowering on it already. So you see it has barely a finger gap. We do these cars really well on stock wheels as well with the spacers and lowering. We figured it out really, really nicely. But yeah, overall it's getting all the forged carbon pieces. It's gonna look really, really clean. All right, guys, welcome to 2020 and welcome to 3 Uruses right here. The middle one we just finished up, so we're gonna talk about that now. First, recap. This first one you see here, we're just gonna call it a Urus with OEM plus modifications. Meaning there is no body kit on this, there is no aftermarket parts. This is all just paint work. The only thing aftermarket on it would be the lowering component, which lowered the vehicle down. This thing, we painted the front blades white, we painted the rockers white, made the moldings black, we painted the little fender trim white, the diffuser in the back is painted black, and the bumper on top of it is painted body color. So the color schematic is all changed. That's why it looks more aggressive than factory. And the wheels were also powder coated black. These are the 22-inch wheel options. So you're gonna be seeing the 22, the 23, and the 24 on mine. So let's move on to the middle car, which is the one we just completed. This one, we're gonna call it OEM++. This one has the 1016 Industries forged carbon fiber body kit on there. It does not have the hood, and it does not have the wide body like mine. So it has the standard kit on there, it's all add-on. It has the 2 front lips, it has the side fender trims, the rocker panels, the 2 trunk lips, and the diffuser. So again, forged carbon like mine, adds a little bit of taste to it. It has the factory 23-inch wheels. We also lowered it. So it's got the lowering, and it has spacers, just like these two. So really, really looks good. You can see the difference between one with a simple body kit and one without, but this is, remember, still painted. So it's not stock. We don't have a white stock Urus, unfortunately, because we modify all of these when they come in. And then obviously you guys know my car, the wide body. This is really the cream of the crop for the Urus. Everybody loves this car. This has the same body kit as the middle one, but it has the hood and it has the wide body flares. Obviously, it's got 24-inch wheels, so it's bigger than all these other ones. Lowered exhaust, the works on this bad boy. And obviously, you guys know the headlights, we customize them. No orange reflector, which is a huge difference when you look at them side by side. But yeah, 3 Uruses right here. You guys already know we run that game. If you guys want to mod your Urus, whether it's wide body, whether it's regular body kit stuff, or paint scheme on it, let us know. We'll get your Urus right.
This one wheels change this maybe black better, not a white. So moldings, just the wheels most important. So this one I will change the handles. I will just paint this half black, like the line half black, half white. Wheels, of course, not much, just only a few of those things. And this one is one of my favorite one, but I will make few changes on this one. The other side, I will paint the lip black. Just leave the wheel, just paint the wheel black, like the lip, and that's it. Just only lip.
These are the wheels you wanted, huh?
Yeah, this is the wheels I wanted. Oh, and I will change the do the half black and half white. Yeah, most important is the wheel, the lips.
He's not looking at me. He hasn't stared at me. And he's smiling and then getting sad. Smiling and then getting sad. He's the worst ever. Look at him. Look. He hasn't looked at.
What the?
Look, he hasn't moved his head. I think he died. Oh, he just moved it finally.
What's wrong with this guy? Worst guy to do anything with. Another Range Rover. This one again is a brand new one, fully modded, has 24-inch wheels, but really the special part about this car is this front bumper. It might look very clean and subtle to you guys, and OEM-like, because it is actually an OEM bumper from the UK. This is not available in the USA. We special ordered it. It is the Range Rover SVO front bumper. Looks really clean and aggressive. I think this Range Rover is perfectly set up, all black. Keep it clean and it just looks amazing. The SVO bumper comes with those lights over there. the grill mesh, everything. Because this bumper is not available in the US market, this bumper is actually very expensive. Retails about $10,000 for this bumper on a Range Rover. So pretty expensive, but for the guys that want top of the line on their Range Rover, there you have it. Instead of getting a body kit, they get a factory item like this. So yeah, if you guys want special order stuff, body kits, whatever, let us know. We can modify your Range Rover.